back to a new video, and in this video I am going to be teaching you guys how to make a scrolling platformer on Scratch. You might have heard of GriffPatch's engine, but that one is quite complex, therefore I decided to make this pretty simple engine. So let's get started. Let's create a player sprite and a level sprite. You can design your own art. Just here, I'm just going to make a quick tutorial on how to make a player. So all you have to do is click on the reshape tool and click around middle point and click on the middle point twice. Click on two random points and click on the middle twice, and it should make curved edges. Just do this for all sides and you should get a perfect player. Just draw a rectangle for the level sprite, like that. And now let's get coding. So let's drag the one click block and let's create two variables, one called xval and one called yval. You can keep it for all sprites or for this sprite only, it doesn't really matter. And drag in a forever loop and say change yval by -1. Change yval by -1. So now we're going to be doing the left and right arrow key movement. So let's say if left arrow key pressed, and just duplicate this one more time and change it to right arrow key. And now you've done that, just say change xval by -1 when you're moving left, because it's obviously left, and when you're moving right, just opposite, so which is 1. And now let's define, let's just make the movement gradual, so just say set xval to and get a 0.9, a times block, and say times 0.9 and xval times 0.9. This should make a gradual movement, but before that let's just say change x by xval. So this should define what the xval should do. So let's just test it out. So as you guys can see, it's a very good gradual movement. So I'm just going to save my project, and now I am just going to say if touching levels, then change y by 1. And I'm just going to repeat this 3 more times. So it should be a total of 3 times. Or sorry, a total of 4 times. And after that, let's say if touching ground, or sorry, you have to have it separately and separately there. Now let's say if touching levels, change y by -4, because we obviously changed by 4, so we have to change it by the opposite. And let's also say change x by and let's get a times block in here, and let's say xval times -1. So this should be the collision code. And now let's just put, we just need to add on to the collision code, and let's say if inside of this if touching ground statement or level statement, and let's say if key up arrow pressed, just stop the scripts for like no errors to occur, and let's say set yval to 15. So, and let's also have an if else statement, and let's say if xval is greater than 0, just get the greater sign, plug in a 0 in the second blank, just duplicate the xval, and let's say set xval to -10, else set xval to 10, and yeah. Now let's have another if else statement. So here let's just convert everything into this if else statement and put it in the if, and in the else let's have a set xval to 0. So this is the collision code. And now we've done that, let's say change y by yval. So now it will move down forever. And let's make the code if we're touching the levels. So get an if statement, if touching, change this to levels, or whatever sprite you call the level sprite, and say if touching levels, change y by and get a times block and a minus block, and put the times block second and put a 2 there, and take the y val and take the y val and say change y by y val minus y val times 2. Okay, cool. Now let's also set y val to 0 so that the movement is steady. Yay. Okay, so now let's have a change y by -1 statement. -1 statement, and just duplicate this and change it to 1. And since we're moving, so as you can see, yeah, so if I just plug it up, it should make the movement cool. So in between this, we have to do the jumping code. So let's say if key up arrow pressed, then we are gonna set y val to 15. So that should make the jumping occur. Set y val to 15. Or you can just say 10. I'll just say 10, I guess. So yeah, we can jump around. So yeah, that's pretty good. Now we've done that, let's start doing the in order to do that, let's to make it easier, let's just say scrolling code. So we're gonna be putting all this code inside this scrolling code block. So just transfer that and remove the forever loop because we're gonna have something else. So just say one clicked forever scrolling code. So this should make this should do the trick. So it's gonna do the same thing. So now we can just move around. Yay, same thing. So once we've done that, let's do the scrolling code. So let's create two variables, one called scrollx, and that should be for all sprites, and one called scrollY, and that should also be for all sprites. So let's change scrollx and change scrollY by let's take in a times block and another times block, and let's have a -1, a -1, and let's change scrollx by x position times -1 and y position times -1. Pretty simple. So since we this is gonna be since the levels are actually gonna be moving in the script, we are gonna set the player to just 0, 0 forever. I guess just change that to 0. And now let's do the scrollx and scrollY code in this sprite. So all we have to do is forever go to x scrollx, y scrollY. So that's pretty good. Now all we have to do is set the coordinates. So 98 and 100, as you can see, it may vary for you guys. So just say scrollx and set scrollY. 98, 100. So as you can see, now the entire code works, and you can also wall jump. And the collision is perfect. And you can fall off, of course. I haven't really designed anything to stop that. And in the next video, I'll be teaching you guys how to add like spikes, coins, and more. Anyways, see you guys later, and have a good day. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.